educators, welcome back to Student Alliance community. Every time when you want to draw some lab apparatus, like it could be a Bunsen burner, it could be a spirit lamp, it could be anything of that sort. So usually you draw it and students don't have a visualization of it. Now how to show that better using the Chemix option? Just click on the heating element that is on the side. You have different apparatus here. For example, if you want to show the flame, so this is a direct flame. And then if you want to show a magnetic stirrer, similarly, if you want to show a Bunsen burner, or a hot plate, right? So you have options where you can show different things like a kettle, an oven. So all of these things directly onto the panel by using this particular application of Chemix. Hope that makes your curiosity much better. Thank you so much.